Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Happy New Year, welcome to 2024. This is my first video I'm uploading for the year, and I still have some holiday cheer that was sent to me that I wanted to share and even let them know that I got their wishes. So let's get into it. So this one is from Liana. It's a deal. She's so cute. Oh look, hope you had a blessed Christmas, wishing you a happy new year. Love it. Oh my gosh, and she's included some Valentine ephemera and sentiments and some die cuts. Thank you so much, Liana. Thank you. I'd be able to use this. I'm crafting for Valentine's right now. Thank you. Happy New Year to you and your ohana. Oh, this is adorable. Look at how cute this card is. And this card is from Therese, maybe? Let me see. It's from Natasha. She's Polite Creations here on YouTube. How cute is her Gingy scene? And she's just wishing a happy holidays. Thank you so much. I hope that your holidays were safe and memorable, and that you're having a happy new year, Natasha. And then the last holiday cheer I have to share today is from Patty, and she's Life with Patty here on YouTube. Look at how cute. I can reuse these too if I gently remove them. So cute, and look at her card. She decked it out. Woo woo. So thank you, Patty. I hope that you and your family have had a happy holidays and enjoying the new year. So that's all my share for today. I hope you guys are having a safe and happy new year. May you have all the blessings that you are hoping for this year, and may you have great health and lots more craft time, craft projects, more inspiration, and just more enjoyment. So happy 2024. For more videos like these, see here, and until my next video, shakas.